Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Cheryl, and tonight for dinner, we're gonna make a one-pan meal. And I'm using like a little 11 by 7. You can use a 9 by 13. And it's gonna be potatoes, green beans, and boneless pork chops. So, it's very simple, guys. It'll take maybe 5-10 minutes to put together, and then another 35 minutes to bake it off in a 400-degree oven. So yeah, let's get this party started. This is like one of those quick dinners, and I kind of try to have some of this stuff on hand, just in case, like today. So we're going to take some olive oil, and we're going to make a dressing first. And I'm going to use, and I'm just eyeballing this, guys, about 1/3 cup of olive oil. And I didn't have honey. You could use honey in this, but I'm using maple syrup. That's what I have. And about 2 tablespoons. And we have Worse Than Your Sister sauce. And we're going to do about 2 tablespoons of it. And a good big pinch of black pepper. And I'm going to take the rest of this bottle. It's like maybe about 1/2 cup of ranch dressing. So all is going to go in. Okay, turn my bottle upside down. We'll try to get the rest of that out a little bit. And we're just going to mix this together. Mix it till it's all incorporated, guys, okay? Okay. All right, I'm going to spray my pan. And I'm using these little potatoes. They're really pretty good stuff. And we're just going to pour all this in. Okay. And I'm going to take some of this and mix a little bit of the dressing in with the potatoes and onions here. Now the temps, guys, could vary from oven to oven, or cook times, I should say. So just keep an eye on it until when the potatoes are tender. You should be done. All right, I'm using the rest of my green beans so I don't lose them. And we're just gonna spread these all around, just like that. And I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. Okay. And then I have some boneless chops here. And I'm using 4, and they're pretty thick. You can probably use up to 6 to maybe 8 pork chops in a 9x13. So, well, I'll just have to, I thought I had my brush, pastry brush ready, but I forgot I used it for a different recipe. So anyway, we're going to take these pork chops and we're going to take some of this dressing. We're going to kind of smear it over best we can over the pork chop. And we're going to put that side down. Okay? And we're going to do all of them that way. This is going to be yummy for the tummy, guys. I hope you make these. And then we're going to pour the rest over. Just like that. Let me see if I can get any more of that dressing out. Just a little gerbil. And I'm just going to pour the rest of this, a little bit of stuff. There we go. Okay, guys. There you have it. We're going to pop this in a 400-degree oven and then cook it for about 30 to 35 minutes, and we're going to check on it, and then I'll bring you back when it's coming out of the oven. Okay, guys. Pork chops came out of the oven. They look fantastic. Look at that. Looks delish. This is one of those meals that you'll keep coming back to. It's really, really good. This is like the second time I made it. And we loved it the first time, so I figure I'll bring you along to make it. And we're gonna let that cool off. And I'll portion it out. And this is our dinner for tonight. It's amazing. The potatoes are nice. You wanna make sure your chops are temping at 145, okay? That's the safe setting on pork chops, okay? So 145 on them. Everything else is done. We'll just scoop it up, put it on a plate, and we're ready to go. The dressing has seeped all through with the drippings from the pork chops, and it's just sauteed, and all the flavoring went into the potatoes and green beans. So yeah, it's all in one, like a casserole, but better. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe. It's free. Doesn't cost you anything. Just click that button. Anyway, guys, it helps out my channel. And leave some comments if you make this. I want to know. Curious minds. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot. I love you. See you next time. Bye for now.